guys, welcome back to Social Nerd. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log into ICBC online banking account. If you have already registered for online banking account on ICBC, then now you can log into your account using the login credentials that you have set while registering for your account. The process to log into your online banking account is pretty simple, secure and straightforward. By the completion of the login process, you can have access to your financial transactions, account histories and details, payments, fund transfers and many more from anywhere and anytime online. So in order to get started, all you have to do is watch this video very carefully and follow the simple steps. First, go to any browser on your desktop. Then on the search bar, search for icbcasia.com. And once you land onto an interface like this, go and tap onto personal or private banking. By tapping on it, you will be directed to another page where you can log into your ICBC online banking account. But before we get started with the login process, there are a few things that you need to keep in your mind. You cannot log into your online banking account on ICBC if you haven't registered for it at the first place. So in order to do that, all you have to do is just go and tap onto register now in order to start your registration process. After you have registered for online banking account on ICBC, you will be provided with a username and a set of password that you can log into your account with. So go to username text field and enter the username associated to your account or your credit card number. Then go to the password text field and enter the password that you have set while registering for your account. In case if you cannot find the user ID, you can just go and tap onto find user ID option and find your user ID. And similarly, if you have forgotten your password, you can just go and tap on to forget password option here in order to reset it. And once you're done entering your login information, you can just go and tap onto the login option here. By tapping on it, you'll have successfully logged into your online banking account on Industrial and Commercial Bank of China. So with all this information, I think you can log into your online banking account on ICBC in no time. So this will be it for today, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful, subscribe to the channel and stay up to date for more videos like this. Bye bye.